burning alkali metals, yeah.
Oh yeah.
It's Muslim. Okay. Okay. Oh yeah.
Yeah, so this is pretty cool because the wood kinda helps oxidize the lithium, so it burns cooler on wood than if you do it on metal or any other surface that's like not oxidizing. Also, the lithium burns so hot that the oxide actually melts and forms these little balls due to surface tension. Here with this explosion you see that all the shrapnel from the explosion comes out from a single point. You can clearly see it in this frame by frame replay. Thanks for watching this video. I hope to see you soon.